Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Pune location. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Pune location and like our videos. Firstly, there is a job openings for Arpit P. Jain and Co-Chartered Accountants. They are looking for executive position. Salary offered minimum 10,000 up to 25,000 a month. If we go through the designation and process, designation will be that of an executive if candidate joins for full-time job. In case of a part-time job, designation shall be that of an intern. So if you join as a full-time employee, you will be treated as an executive for position and you will be taken as intern if you join for part-time job. And role of the candidate will be to undertake assignments either individually or with a team. Apart from this, there will be a certain on-time assignments which require accounting, taxation, and auditing knowledge of our execution. And if we go through the roles and responsibilities and duties, you should send detailed listing of requirements from the client at the start of assignments as per the agreed with the client. You should do documentation of work done as per reform policies in the course of execution. You should assist clients in their queries in relation to accounting and taxation. You should guide interns in execution of the work, and you should provide basic technical training to your new interns and staff joining the firm. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9028 258454. Next, there is a job opening for finance and accounts officer for the organization Agarkar Research Institute. It is an autonomous body under the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Salary offered up to 1 lakh per month. And you can see experience like freshers are eligible. Education qualification is CA, ICWA, MCOM or MBA, PCDM. Last date to apply for the job is March 1st, 2021. You can go through the provided website address and to get the detailed official notification details and what is the application process. That is http://aripune.org. Next, there is a job opening for accounts executive position for the organization High Tech Marketing. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. You should have knowledge of Tally and you should have good communication skills and you should have good English speaking skills. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Email ID is hytek@hytekmarketing.biz. Next, there is a job opening for Access Industrial Solutions. They are looking for accounts assistant position. Salary offered up to 9,000 a month. You are expected to assist the accountant in data entry, filling, and bank related works, etc. You should have knowledge of Tally ERP9 and you should have at least minimum 1 year of experience will be considered as well. And you should have passed 12th. You should have knowledge of MS Office. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9130077642. Next, there is a job opening for accounts assistant for the organization Tropical Car Gadgets Private Limited. Salary offered up to 18,000 a month. You can see the what is the roles and responsibilities. You should do invoicing and POPI preparation, sales and purchase entry. You should do bank reconciliation work. You should do sales report. You should have done ERP9 like knowledge of Tally is required. You should know knowledge of GST TDS and day-to-day accounting should be done. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is info@tropicoindia.com. Next, there is a job openings for accounts executive position for the organization 15 Corporation LLP. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month, and this will be under Department of Accounts. Freshers are eligible. Minimum qualification is BCom or MCom. Salary will be as per the industry standards. As mentioned, there will be minimum 15,000 a month. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. For further details, you can contact on the given phone number, that is 9766091575. Next, there is a job openings for education counselor or academic counselor. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role. And for the organization Premium Learning Systems, salary offered 2,25,000 to 3 lakhs per annum. And the person should be positive attitude, strong pitching convincing skills, and follow-up skills, and should have a good communication skills in English and Marathi language, and you should have minimum 2 years of experience as a career counselor. Freshers are not eligible for this job role. Only minimum 2 years of experience is required. Roles and responsibilities, if you see, should call and counsel on the prospective leads and guide the customers about the courses. You should answer inbound calls and guide the customer about the courses. You should generate positive calls from the calling list and ensure the target is met. You should generate maximum walk-ins through counseling or calls. You should have a strong follow-up with the prospective leads that will be required through phone calls and SMS. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7020446858. Next, there is a job openings for upper divisional clerk for organization IITM Pune. Salary offered up to 81,000 per month. If you see, experience is not required, freshers are eligible. Salary offered minimum 25,000 to up to 81,000 per month. Education qualification is any bachelor's degree. Last date to apply for the job is February 15th, 2021. Mode of selection will be through written test and typing and computer knowledge test. You can go through the provided link and apply for the job. That is https://www.tropmet.res.in/careers. So if you browse the provided link, you will get the detailed information and you can get to know what is the application process, everything. If you face any problem, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for accounts receivable clerk for the organization BW Visa Services. If you see the roles and responsibilities, you should follow up with the clients for payment. You should maintain and outstand receipt on daily basis. You should process accounts and incoming payments in compliance with the financial policies and procedures. You should post customer payments by recording cash, checks, and credit card transactions. You should update receivables by totaling unpaid invoices. You should protect organization's value by keeping information confidential. You should accomplish accounting and organization mission by completing related results as needed. Minimum qualification is BCom and 1 year of experience is required. Salary will be as per company standards. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Email ID is hr@btwvisas.com. Next, there is a job openings for back office assistant for the organization Apeksha Group of Companies. Salary offered minimum 9,500 to up to 45,000 a month. You should be able to handle back office responsibility for projects and lead generation related office work. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Email ID is hr@apekshagroup.com. Next, there is a job openings for Creditech organization. They are looking for office assistant position. Responsibilities, if we see, should maintain office filling and storage systems. You should keep filling or document management system for electronic and paper documents organized. You should monitor and order office supplies, and general reception duties will be there. You should return calls as appropriate. You should maintain usually per request, and you should distribute or file all incoming mails. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. You can share your resume as well. Email ID is careers@kaditechsolutions.com. Next, there is a job openings for customer support associate for organization Johnson Controls. Minimum experience is required, like 2 to 3 years of experience in BPO industry. And if you see required skills, like you should have a fluency in English language. You should be a quick learner and adaptable to work at all situations as per the requirements. You should be good at mathematical calculations and logical skills. You should be confident in building a conversation with account manager and getting the queries addressed. You should be a graduate and should be able to handle emails from clients. You should be able to involve in resolving customer queries. You should have good communication skills and interpersonal skills. You should have a patience enough to handle any kind of customer queries. For further process, you can browse the provided website address and apply for the job. You can get to know there is some other openings will be there. You can check with that as well. For Pune location, this is the only available job. You can go through the provided website address link for further details. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Pune location as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Pune location. Like our videos and share our videos with your friends and family members who are in need of job. It is really very helpful for them as well. And I will try to give more information with your support. Please subscribe and share our channel with as many people as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.